tuned into the Tobago Festivals Network. Previously, on Rubber Pocket, no have no bottom.
Ah, boy. If Dotish was a person, it would have been this gyal. In the last episode, Tamaya was at the station for another bout of interrogation when Malcolm called from she house phone. Same time, Miss Ermin get a call that 2 men in she house. She tell the police and they all was about to head over. But guess what Tamaya do? She pretend to faint. All to save the crooked Malcolm.
I feel was overwhelmed, you did overwhelm. That make you pass out in this station. If you see how you fall, I get frightened, you know. It's a good thing they had smelling salts at hand. Else all now so, you lie down in Scarborough General.
My head's still feeling kind of light.
You want some spicy?
Nah, ma, I could. I just need to rest for a little while.
All right, Maya, get your rest. I'm going around the house and see if the trespassers interfere with my plans and them. You know what was disturbing? As soon as you pass out, the officer get a strange call with directions to the boat engine.
True. True?
Yes, matter of fact, the directions were so clear. He told me that I could leave right away to take care of you.
This place crazy, we. Well, at least my name not in no criminal book for stealing a boat engine. I don't even have a boat.
You're right. Anyway, I'm going and get the keys and head around the back to check for damage.
Okay. What he could possibly want in here, boy? Gosh, Malcolm. I'm trying to get everybody to see it the way I see it, but you keep messing it up.
Oh gosh! Maya, the key's missing.
Keys? Which keys? From the cabinet?
Yes, from the cabinet. My keys. The ones for the school. Whoever was here must be take the keys. Good grief, I have to call Officer Westman.
Ma, calm down now. You don't know that for sure. Besides, you just put on your keys and forget. Remember the last time you did...
No, Tamaya. I remember hanging them up and closing that cabinet. I ain't forget that at all.
Ma, for your own sake, retrace your steps. It will be very embarrassing to see you make a big scene and the key right in your bag. Go and check now, please.
I know I leave them keys. Who picked them up? Who picked them up? I leave the keys right on the cabinet there. Who picked them up? Who gone with those keys? Lucy, I can't talk loud. I'm hiding in the toilet. I need you to call Officer Westman and tell him to go to the school. Whoever was in the house this morning, thief the keys for the school, and I feel they're going down there. I tried to tell Tamaya, but I find she moving strange. After you call Westman, call me back and tell me what he say. I hear this now.
You can't be here, Malcolm. You're crazy. Mommy will call the police on you if she see you around the house.
Oh gosh, not even a good evening, baby self.
Good evening, baby. Please go. No. Mommy will be in the yard any minute. Malcolm, oh God, please, you're not supposed to be here.
Okay, so I don't want it around here. That's fine. I just wanted to tell you in person that I had to go away for a little while.
Away? Away where? Grenada? You mean Grenada, Malcolm?
Maya, I'm still not finding the keys. Somebody move them keys from the cabinet, girl, I'm telling you.
Where are you going?
I had to go away for a little while.
How long?
Well, Granny not well out here, so I'm going to see about you for a little while.
Malcolm, let's talk this through. Please, just don't leave like this. Maybe we could go together. Eh? We could go together.
I doubt it. Not right now, baby. Things hard. The police looking for me now. So I can't stick around here. They go find me. And who is here? They know use my kryptonite. They go come here eventually. You see what I come knocking in the door this morning? I don't want you to get tangled up in no more stupidness. I don't want you and your mother to get in no trouble, girl.
Malcolm, oh gosh. So what you need me to do? What you need?
Girl, I need a little loan.
A loan? Money? How much so? Hey, mommy coming around the house, Malcolm, how much?
Alright, here what? Meet me on the bay late tonight, walk with the money, and I'm gonna be there waiting for you, alright?
When you're not telling me how much, tell me how much and I'll walk with the money.
A little 5,000.
5,000? What you need all that money for, Mal?
It's for my granny, Tamaya. My granny.
All right. I'll get it for your granny, baby. Go fast, Malcolm, go. Love you.
Thanks.
Who you talking to?
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.